So you're probably wondering, Kyle, why do you have another monitor on your desk? Are you adding to the setup? Do you need 3? You already have 2. Not exactly. My dad's into the CAD/3D modeling industry. Picked up this Phillips 4K monitor. I've never had a Phillips monitor in my possession, so I thought, why not unbox it, get some first impressions. Maybe if you're in the industry looking for a new monitor, this one might be for you. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. So first I'm going to read off just some quick specs about the monitor itself. Again, I knew Philips made monitors. I didn't know a lot about them. So this is a 4K monitor. So this is going to be a IPS LED panel. It has a color gamut of NTSC 91% as well as sRGB 109%. As you'll see as I unbox, there's 2 HDMI ports as well as a display port. And then it has built-in speakers as well. Let's go ahead and get right into the boxing. I couldn't find a hertz of the monitor. I would imagine it's probably in the 60-75 hertz range. I don't believe this is built for gaming, but I couldn't seem to find it on specs online. But again, this is a 4K monitor, an IPS LED display, but let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing here. So you kind of have this little tape that goes all the way across and then over here as well. And then, by the way, he got 2 as well, but obviously I'm not going to unbox both. I'm just going to be unboxing this one. So there's kind of these little pull tabs here. See if I can get this open. Yeah, so you just pull these tabs out like this and kind of, I'm assuming, just lift this up. Most monitor boxes are about the same. You got the handle, and then you have this kind of foam insert. So let's see if I can take this out. Just a little bit of a manual there. I might have to, let's see if I can pull this out. So not the easiest packaging I've ever had, but it comes in this foam insert, I think. Yeah, so that's, oh. Yeah, so not the easiest packaging that I've ever had to get out. I had to kind of go off camera a little bit and get it out. I can get rid of the box here though. So you kind of have a couple of compartments here actually. Packaging's not great, I'm gonna be honest. I just bought this monitor recently, which is a Dell 27-inch, the 165 hertz. And then the packaging was way better. I don't know if because you're paying more, maybe you're getting more. This looks like the stand. Feels a little cheap, not too bad. Feels decent quality. We'll have to kind of assemble that and see how that is. I'm used to a little bit more sturdy of stands, but we'll see. We'll put it on together and then we'll see if it's sturdy or not. But yeah, then this looks like an HDMI cord. This is probably power with your power brick. Go ahead and set that to the side. More pamphlets, of course, as usual, and a bunch of other information as well. And I believe this just kind of comes off. That's kind of concerning that that's just broken there. I guess it looks like it's safe still, or it was shipped safe at least. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Oh, well, that just broke. Okay. Kind of throw this over here. Yeah, I would like to see a little bit better packaging. I know this is like, I think $250 or something along those lines, pretty close to that price. So you're probably not getting the best packaging and packaging experience. First impressions, it looked like it kind of has, I'm comparing it to my other monitors, kind of a more matte look maybe. I'm just going to lay this down here really quick. Yeah, so you just have kind of the same sort of specs on the back here. I'm trying to assemble the monitor itself. I would believe it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's see here. Make sure I get this, and I have a second camera as well, so you'll be able to see that. It looks like this part just kind of goes here, and then you can kind of just twist that in. Yeah, so that's not super on there really. I'll have to kind of get a flathead and tighten that a little bit. It looks like it might have just, yeah, so it looks like it has the tilting kind of motion, and that's about it that you get with the stand. It doesn't look like there's height at all. Is there swivel? No swivel. So maybe if you're getting this, and probably most people that are buying this for CAD and 3D modeling work are going to have multiple monitors, and they're going to probably have kind of some sort of stand or anything like I have. But you're very limited on the movement, so that's kind of a concern if you just plan on keeping this monitor with this stand. You have your physical buttons down here, so your power, your menu, your OK, your volume up and down, because you do have built-in speakers with this monitor as well, and I'm guessing kind of an input source as well. And then let's look at the back. So on the back here, as you can see, you have your 2 HDMI ports, your power port, as well as your display port. And I'm guessing, yeah, your audio in and your headphone as well. So again, I really think this monitor is kind of for people that aren't looking to spend a ton of money and get a 4K monitor, and 3D modeling and CAD as well, if you're looking into that kind of industry. But overall, not super great quality, but not bad. You've got your mounting points on the back there with kind of the 4 Bezels screw mounts. And then you kind of have the stand that just tilts more up and down. So, I mean, not a ton of mobility, which some stands you have height, you have swivel, you have, but again, if you're not paying a ton of money, you're probably not getting a lot of features. But if this is in your budget and you can't afford more than maybe $200 to $300, this might be a good pick for you. I know Phillips is a good brand overall. I'm not too familiar with their monitors, but again, it's just an unboxing, first impressions. But yeah, overall, I mean, the packaging could have been, I think, a little better. The stand wasn't too bad. If I had a Phillips, I could have screwed it in probably a lot quicker. But I think overall, for a 4K monitor, the bezels are very thin. I'd have to turn it on. But just from looking at it, the bezels are very thin. It goes to maybe about a couple millimeters in. So kind of a bezel-free monitor, I would almost say. But yeah, you're getting the 4K for $230, so it's not that bad of a deal. But again, this isn't my own personal monitor. I just thought I'd unbox it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and first impressions. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe, comment. I read all of the comments. Let me know if there's any future videos that you want to see, future items or products unboxed. I love unboxing things and reviewing them as well. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.